Welcome to Autohuis Meppel, Netherlands. Today we are working on a car from the golden era, a Mercedes-Benz 280 SE, 1971, 3.5 liter. We will be replacing brake reservoir. As you can notice, when we starts the car, the brake oil level sensor is flashing. That's indicate to a shortage of oil level in the braking system. And that is due to a crack in the master brake cylinder reservoir, which we will be working on today. We starts the process by removing the caps and disconnecting the sensors. Then removing the remaining old brake fluid from the system. And as you can see, we are covering most of the fender and nearby area. This is due to the negative effect of brake fluid on these parts. One major action is to replace the oil seals, which corrodes over time, and it bears a lot of pressure when applying the brakes. Then we apply a thin layer of oil on the seals to create an insulator from external factors. After that, with some wiggling, we place the reservoir, and we reconnect the two oil level sensors back in place. Now it's time to refill the system with a new fresh brake fluid. Completing the process with bleeding out the old brake fluid with the air pockets from the system. It's recommended to change the brake fluid every 2 years regardless of the mileage. After the bleeding process on all 4 tires is completed, making sure that all the old brake fluid in the air pockets is out of the system and replaced with the new one. We tap of the reservoir to the correct level and making sure that all the oil level sensors are moving freely, doing its job. We starts the car, applying the brakes for a few times, to build up pressure, and making sure that the system is functioning well without any leaks. Making sure that the braking oil level sensor indicator had disappeared. Now we are more than happy that we brought back this car back on the road safely.